Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Introducing a spectacular luxury villa that epitomizes elegance and comfort. This villa is located at the Highlands, an exclusive gated neighborhood of Spring Farm, St. James. It sits on 0.68 acres of land. This stunning property boasts 5 spacious bedrooms and 6.5 luxurious bathrooms, ensuring ample space and privacy for all residents and guests. Every corner of the villa is exquisitely furnished with high-end pieces, creating a harmonious blend of style and sophistication. The open-plan living areas feature expansive windows that offers breathtaking views, seamlessly connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. The villa includes dedicated staff quarters, ensuring convenience and exceptional service. The outdoor area is a true oasis, featuring a pristine swimming pool, complete with a jacuzzi, perfect for relaxation and entertaining. Additionally, the property is equipped with 3 underground water tanks, providing a reliable water supply. Experience unparalleled beachfront living in this exquisite villa, where every detail has been carefully considered to offer the ultimate in luxury and comfort. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US $1,850,000 or Jamaican $284.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.